Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Binance is getting hit hard by the SEC. They're delisting a lot of tokens from Binance US, and we saw the same thing with the SEC going after Coinbase. It's an attack by the US government on crypto in America, which is very not nice. If you're American, you should email your local senators, contact them, call them, and say that you like crypto. 1 of 10 Americans use crypto, so I'm very surprised the SEC is going so hard after crypto. My belief is they're trying to control the capital outflows. When they print money, the Burr machine, they don't want it to go internationally with the crypto market. And that's why they're clamping down on crypto, in my opinion. But again, when the car came, it didn't matter how much you liked your horse. The technology of the car replaced all horses all around the world, and that's what's going to be happening with crypto. Crypto technology is going to replace the old banking system, the old financial system, even the regulation systems are being replaced by cryptocurrency. It's a new technology. Anyone from their phone can use cryptocurrencies. They can transact, send crypto anywhere in the world. They can buy things with their crypto, with their decentralized wallets, with no one controlling it. It's a new technology. In this video, we're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. MCRT is currently up 6%, while the entire market, MCRT and Tesla is up. The rest of the entire markets are down. Very bloody day in the markets for tech stocks, for crypto. After this SEC announcement, Binance getting hit very hard. Hit the subscribe button, join 70. We're very close, I think 100 people away from 79,000 followers. Smash up the thumbs up button, turn on that bell notification. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. And the market quite red at the moment. The only thing that's green is MCRT. MCRT up 6%. Tesla was up 1.4%. And then you can just see the rest. MCRT up 6%, Tesla up 1.4%, Intel 1%, TSM up a little bit. And then the rest of the market just red. Meta down 2.7%, Ethereum 2.7%, Microsoft 3%, total market cap down 3%, Bitcoin 3%, FXS 3%, IOTA 3%. The market getting hit really hard. Google 3.8%. Huge drop in the markets for tech stocks and crypto yesterday, which is interesting. I've got to monitor it closely. Bitcoin pulling back to the trend line that I've been talking about for a long time. This was the SEC announcement that they're suing Coinbase and Binance. And then this was the pump after. And then this was the drop today. So in my opinion, it's getting rejected off here again and coming down to what I've been saying for a long time. And then this trend line. Now that's important that we hold this trend line here, that we're bouncing from here, and that we get a bounce here to go up. If we break here, then 19,000 is very possible for Bitcoin, which will be brutal. Daily it's heading down, 4 hourly it's heading down. The long from yesterday got stop lost. Big rejection, double top coming down in my opinion, following the yellow path. Target is going to be, I just woke up, 25,000. This is where I'd go heavy long on Bitcoin. And that's where I've got my buy orders. At 24708, 24,708, the trade will open. 24,273, the stop loss will hit, and the take profit is going to be at 37,000 if we get a strong bounce from there. But we need to monitor it closely. It's a risk reward of 29, risking $435 to make $13,000, 10x leverage, $130,000. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. On 4 hourly, we're heading down. Hourly, we're heading down. But volume coming in, which is interesting. We could get a bounce from this white trend, this line as well. There will be a little bit of a bounce here because it bounced 3 times before. So expect a little bit of a bounce on this white line. You can take that bounce for a little bit of profit if you want, for a short-term trade, bouncing off here. So off this support, tight stop loss, like this, and just catching a little bit of a bounce to resistance. 5.8 risk to reward ratio, risking 164 to make $953, 10x leverage $9,500. That's a little short you can take on Bitcoin. I'll share both of these trades in the free Telegram. That's the trades I'll take on Bitcoin. MCRT currently up 6.45%, even with all the rest of the market getting annihilated. Just big movements up on MCRT. And when you look at the yearly, MCRT is actually up 16% on the year. In the worst bear market in history, MCRT is still up 16%, which is beautiful. You can get MCRT on these markets, PancakeSwap, Huobi, Bybit, Gate, BitGet, MEXC, Bitmart. These are all exchanges where you can get MCRT, and you can check out this MCRT, the new generation game. It's a play-to-earn game. You can play and earn money on PC, Android, and iOS. You can earn MCRT for playing, and MCRT can be converted for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies in your wallet. It's a decentralized game, so you can actually play and earn crypto, which is beautiful. And you can check out all the achievements last quarter. Free-for-all is coming, development of metagame, parties and friends, community tournament, spectator mode, new map, Cloud Terrace, new character, Ronin, Steam announcement, those few new characters, halving, splitting lobbies and MCRT prizes, automatic lobbies, lots of cool things coming for MCRT. Right now, if you go on PancakeSwap, 1,000 USDT gets you around 336,000 MCRT. 1,000 USDT gets you 336,000 MCRT. Or another way to do it is you could do it like with Ethereum. So one Ethereum, let's see if it does. One Ethereum currently gets you 613,000 MCRT. One Ethereum, 613,000 MCRT, which is beautiful. If you want to trade like you're going to see, I'm going to show you my trades now. Under the video, if you go down below, you can see the steps. Learn to set up your charts, learn to trade like me. One, take the master course. You can learn about it. Two, you get trading on Bybit. That's my favorite exchange. You get $30,000 free bonus, and it has the lowest fees and the best liquidity. Three, join our free Telegram. There's almost 9,000 people in there trading and discussing together. All those links are in the description. Follow 1, 2, 3 and check it out, which is beautiful. Once you sign up to Bybit, I've got this, you get a trading account like this. My IOTA trade is $480 in the profits. It's now 600,000 positions. So it's a $107,000 trade. If you've been following my trade, it went from 10,000, 50,000. We've been adding to this position, which is beautiful. It's a $480 trade, but we need to get a bounce on IOTA here. If IOTA doesn't bounce here, it can be very dangerous, but long term, I like this IOTA trade. That's why I've got my liquidation price for this trade is below 13 cents. See, 0.13. Why? Because when you look at the charts for IOTA, right now it's on this support again. We bought it back here. If you followed it, we bought it back here in beginning of May. Then it bounced, went up, down. It went like positive $2,000. Oops. This is the IOTA trade. It did this, it went like positive $2,000, then came back down. Then it went up all the way to up here, and it was like positive 25,000. Then it came back down. It looks like it's getting a double bottom here. But again, when you zoom out, why I'm buying IOTA and building a position here, I want to build a $250,000 position, is this big downtrend. You can see here, this downtrend. It already broke it and got rejected though. That's the problem after this second announcement. But if it does bounce here and break out, 35 cents will be the target. But when you zoom out, why I'm building a big position here is when you zoom out, go onto the weekly, look at these blue lines. These blue lines have been acting like support going back. Even this was the March 2020 COVID crash. It came down to 5 cents. But before that, the low was 15 cents. The low here was in 2022 December when Bitcoin was at 16K. The low was 15 cents. And you can see here that if it breaks out here, when you zoom out, that's my targets. You can see up here, these are my targets for IOTA. If it plays out, but again, be wary because the market is getting attacked by America and the SEC. But again, this is the trade position. But I have my stop loss all the way below 13 cents. So my stop loss is down here, my liquidation price. It's under all the major support. So make sure you have a very low stop loss because it can. This is the cutoff stop loss, my liquidation price, 13 cents. And you can see it's under all the major supports except for the COVID crash. That's why I'm building this large IOTA trade. It's 167,000. It was 25,000 and the profits came down after this announcement. In this account, I have 270,000. For me, not much of a drop because MCRT pumped. MCRT 42,000 in here, Bitcoin 40,000, FXS 18,000. I bought more FXS and I bought more Uniswap. I'm going to buy another $1,000 of Uniswap. Everyone likes to, like, this is the same. It's very interesting for me because this is the same exact setup that I saw in 2017 bull market. Then we had the big drop. 2018-19, it was all about China banning Bitcoin. Now it seems to be all about America banning crypto and Bitcoin. But the thing is, again, it's like saying we're going to ban the car. We're going to stick with horses and we're going to ban the car. It doesn't matter what they say. Crypto technology, when I started, there was only a few thousand people using it. Now hundreds of millions of people around the world use it. 1 of 10 Americans are part of crypto now. So the SEC is going against 10% of the entire American population, 30 million people. But now worldwide, it's hundreds of millions of people are using crypto. You're still early though, that's my opinion. And the time to buy wasn't, everyone thinks that you make money at the top of the bull market. The time to make money is at the bottom of the bear market, when the governments are banning, when everyone doesn't want to buy, when the FUD is here. You take your profit at the top of the bull market, but you make your money down at the bottom of the bear market. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.